Good morning students, this is Neha, your mathematics teacher. So in the previous video we have studied about the fractions and the types of fractions. And now we will study about the addition of fractions. So we have categorized into two categories, that the addition of the like fractions and the addition of the unlike fractions. So first we will see addition of like fractions. So what are like fractions? Like fractions are the fractions which have the same denominators. So for adding the like fractions, the numerators are added and the denominator remains the same. That means if you have to add two like fractions, you will just need to add the numerator and the denominator remains the same. For example, 3 by 6 plus 5 by 6. Now you can see that these two fractions are like fractions because they have the same denominator as 6. So for adding them, you have to just add the numerator and the denominator remains the same. Denominator remains the same. So write down 6 and you have to just add the numerator. So numerator of first fraction is 3. Numerator of second fraction is 5. So it will be 8 by 6. Now let us look at the other example also. For example, if you have to add 4 by 6 plus 5 by 6. Now here you can also see that these fractions are like fractions because they have the same denominator, that is 6. So for adding them, denominator remains the same, that the 6, and numerators get added. So numerator of first fraction is 4 and the numerator of second fraction is 5. So it will be 9 by 6. So this is the way how we will add the like fractions. Now let's look at the way how we will add the unlike fractions. So for adding the unlike fraction, first change them to like fractions and then add their numerators and denominator remains the same. That means you will convert them into like fractions, and we know how to add like fractions. We will just add the numerator and the denominator remains the same. Let us just look at the example. So example number first, 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2. You have to add these two fractions. Now you can see that these two fractions are unlike fractions because they have the different denominator 5 and 2. So what we have to do, we have to change them into like fractions. That means we have to make their denominator same. So for making it, first take the LCM of the denominator. What are the denominators? 5 and 2. So what will be the LCM of 5 and 2? It will be come out to be 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10. Now we have to convert them into like fractions. So how we will convert them? We have to make the denominator 10, but the denominator is given us to be 5. So for making the denominator 10, we will multiply the denominator by 2. That is 5 2s are 10. Now if I am multiplying denominator, I have to multiply numerator too, so that these two fractions are equivalent fractions. Now take the other fraction, that is 5 by 2. We have to make the denominator 10, but the denominator is 2. So I have to multiply 2 by which number? 5. Now if I am multiplying denominator, I have to multiply numerator also by 5. Hence these two fractions are the equivalent fractions. Since we have to add 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2, 3 by 5 is equivalent to 6 by 10. So just write down the value. 5 by 2 is equivalent to 25 by 10. So we have done the first step. We have changed it into like fractions. Now these two fractions are like fractions and we know how we will do the addition. Denominator remains the same, that is 10 10, and the numerators get added. What are the numerators? 6 and 25. So after adding it, we will get 31 by 10. I hope, is it clear? Now let us look at the second example also. You have to add 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5. Now these two fractions are unlike fractions because they have the different denominators, that is 4 and 5. So we have to convert it into like fractions. So before converting it, we will first take the LCM of the denominators. Denominators are 4 and 5. So LCM of 4 and 5 will come out to be 20. Now come to the second step, that we have to convert it into like fractions. That means we have to make the denominators of these two fractions same, that we have to make them the like fractions. So we want the denominator to be 20, but the denominator is 4. So for making it 20, we will multiply 4 by which number? 5. Now if I am multiplying denominator, I have to multiply numerator too. So it will be 15 by 20. Now these two fractions are equivalent fractions. Now take the second fraction, that is 2 by 5. Since I want to make the denominator 20, so that these two fractions are like fractions, but the denominator is 5, so I have to multiply 5 by which number? 4, because 5 4s are 20. Now for making it the equivalent fraction, I have to multiply numerator also by 4. So 2 4s are 8. Now these two fractions are equivalent fractions. Now just put the value of equivalent fractions in the question. That is 3 by 4 is equivalent to 15 by 20. 2 by 5 is equivalent to 8 by 20. Now we have done the first step. We have changed it into like fraction. Now what we have to do? We just have to add the numerators and the denominator remains the same because they are like fractions. So denominator remains the same and add the numerator. What is the numerator of first fraction is 15 and what is the numerator of second fraction is 8. So the answer will be 23 by 20. So this is the method by which we will add the unlike fractions and the like fractions. So this is all for the today. Thank you very much.